Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Google Maps and granting location access. This gives accurate GPS. Tap the search bar or press the microphone to speak your destination. Voice reduces time and distraction. Once you see options, choose driving and pick the suggested route. Maps shows ETA and traffic colors so you understand delays. Make sure to connect to your car via Bluetooth or mount your phone. That keeps your hands free and camera steady, while navigation runs in the background. Once navigation starts, rely on turn-by-turn voice so you keep eyes on the road. You can adjust voice volume in Maps or through your car audio, louder for highway, softer in city. Tap steps to see lane guidance and detailed maneuvers. This prevents last-second lane changes. If traffic builds or you need gas, add a stop by tapping Add Stop. Maps recalculates immediately, and it shows alternate routes so you can choose faster or simpler paths as needed. To complete navigation, tap End or simply stop following the route. Maps logs the trip for later review. If your GPS drifts or position jumps, toggle location off and on, or restart the app, making sure location mode is set to high accuracy fixes most issues. When cellular signal is weak, download an offline map of the area before you drive. This preserves routing and search capability, so you don't lose guidance when you need it most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.